Struggling to kickstart your morning? Every day, waking up without a nourishing breakfast leaves you drained and unfocused. Your metabolism slows, and low glucose levels keep your brain and muscles from performing at their best. Imagine a transformation where a healthy breakfast fuels your body to burn calories efficiently, setting a vibrant tone for the entire day. Consider the magic of overnight oats, prepared the night before with rich milk and tangy yogurt, topped with fresh fruits and crunchy seeds. Picture a colorful smoothie bowl blending fruits, leafy greens, and creamy yogurt, finished with granola and berries to ignite your senses. Envision avocado toast on whole grain bread crowned with eggs that provide healthy fats, and Greek yogurt parfaits layered with fruit and granola, offering a protein-rich delight. A hearty veggie omelet brimming with vegetables or whole grain pancakes, served with a drizzle of pure maple syrup, can also transform your morning routine. Skipping breakfast might seem convenient, but it undermines your focus, mood, and overall health. A balanced morning meal not only restores lost energy, but also supports brain function and weight management. Additionally, a glass of alkaline ionized water can enhance bone health and reduce inflammation, complementing your meal with vital minerals. Every nutritious bite you take today builds a foundation for a productive workday or an engaging school session. Embrace the power of a healthy breakfast and experience improved energy, enhanced memory, and elevated well-being. Step into your day fueled, focused, and ready to conquer challenges. Energize your life, one savory bite at a time. Transform your mornings, transform your amazing life today.